for this next trick, you're gonna be the one who's doing the magic. So I'm gonna shuffle it, and then go ahead and choose any card, and then memorize the card and show it to the audience. Okay, and then put it anywhere in the deck. Okay, so now you're going to say the magic words and then lightly tap on the deck.
What are the magic words?
So it could be anything, but the one I like to use is abracadabra.
Abracadabra.
Alright, so now your card, what you've just done, is that your card is going to be the one that's face up.
Okay.
Alright.
This was my card!
This one requires one step to set up before you do the trick on them, and that step is in your deck of cards to turn the card on the bottom over. And what you're doing then is kind of creating like a sandwich where on both sides of the deck you see a card that's face down. And so when you ask them to pick a card, you want to make sure that it's the orientation that most of the cards are face down except for the last one, and you want to be super careful as to not show the last one because I will give a trick away. So let's say that they pick this card, which is the Ace of Hearts, and as they're memorizing it, what you're going to do is be a little bit sneaky and flip the card deck around. And to you, you know that means that all of the cards are going to be face up now except for the one on the top. But to them, it's going to look exactly the same. It's not going to look like you've done anything different. And so when they put the card back into the deck, anywhere that they want, it looks like they're putting it back into a deck that's all facing the same way. But really, all of the other cards besides the one that they've put in are facing up. So the very last step of the trick is to turn the deck over one more time and ask them to say their magic words and lightly tap on it. And now you'll see that the only card that's facing the other direction is the card that they chose, the Ace of Hearts. So yeah, and they're going to feel like they've done the magic, and it'll be really, really funny for you. So I hope you liked that magic trick and that you were able to try it out on some friends or your family. If you want to check out some more fun videos with the ECC Lab, please check out the website. Bye!